talk about how can you add or change photo profile on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile here. So when you click here on profile here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just click in this sign, and you click here in this sign here. So then, sorry, or you just, so you just click in this sign here above this sign. Then it's going to show for your list like this. Click here on edit profile. So then it's going to show for your list like this. Click here in your photo profile here. So then here can you choose your photo profile here or import it from Facebook or import from Google or take a photo here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.